Heidelbergensis was the biggest known ancient human. We have specimens a towering 6.5 feet tall. But there could easily be others that were much taller. But Jeff Meldrum thinks Sasquatch behavior is far too wild to be explained as that of a human.
In the case of Heidelbergensis, given its degree of sophistication, intelligence, cultural evolution, it seems unlikely that it would have simply abandoned all of those trappings of humanity to adopt an austere life in the wild.
But some of the team disagree and think it may be because it's an early human and has kept some of its human-like traits that we can't find it. It may still practice human rituals, like burying its dead.
Perhaps they bury them in unmarked graves. They don't just die and rot in the forest. There is some ceremony involved. That would account for not finding remains.
Maybe due to competition, these large-brained, intelligent human species are really doing their best to avoid humans. And so they've gone more or less into a cryptic behavior, operating at a time when we don't see them or in habitats we don't choose.
But sometimes our worlds do cross, as the Chapmans found out when their house was ransacked in 1941. It's likely Homo heidelbergensis could easily lift and smash a 300-pound barrel of fish. Fossils show Heidelbergensis had much thicker bones than a modern human.
Bone's expensive, so if you've got thick bones, then you're going to have fairly big muscles to operate these things. Thick bones, big muscles, and therefore you were stronger.
This stronger frame and muscles could also explain how the